Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an amazing tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to create a V2Ray vMess server account and set it up on the Armod VPN app to get a fast, secure web connection. Stick with me till the end and let's get you browsing safely and securely. First things first, open your web browser. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. Look for the official UDP Custom website in the search results and click on it. This is where we'll be creating our V2Ray slow DNS server. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, find the menu button, usually located at the top corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a list of options. From the menu, select V2Ray slow DNS server. This option allows you to create a V2Ray server that supports slow DNS, offering a smooth and secure browsing experience. Next, you'll be directed to the server location selection page. Choose your preferred server location based on where you want the best speed and performance. After selecting the location, you'll land on the account creation page. Here, simply enter a username, complete the CAPTCHA, and then click on Create Now. In just a few seconds, your server details will be generated and displayed. Make sure to copy the V2Ray vMess configuration, because we'll need it shortly. Now that we have our server details, let's set it up on the Armod VPN app. First, head over to the Google Play Store and search for Armod VPN. Download and install the app if you haven't already. Once the installation is complete, open the app. You'll land on the home screen. At the top right corner, click on the three dots to open the menu. From the menu, tap on the clipboard icon. This will automatically import the V2Ray vMess server details you copied earlier. Once imported successfully, all that's left to do is click the play button to connect. And just like that, you now have a secure and fast web connection through your own V2Ray vMess server. And there you have it. You've successfully created and connected to a V2Ray vMess server using the Armod VPN app. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.